What's up, guys? I made a video a few minutes ago that I was taking and checking the keyway on the spider. I took it apart. Well, I just set it down together, or set it back down. You can see I got a strap on this side, and it's hooked to my ring. And I've got another one over here that's holding it up, so that way the spider, your whole assembly don't fall on you whenever you go to put it back together. I set it back down, and you can see I've got the bolt out of the middle. I'm gonna show you about putting the bolt in. You wanna make sure you put some Loctite on these. If you don't, then it'll loosen back up. So you wanna make sure you Loctite them. And when you go to put your thrust bearing, your saucer piece on, you gotta slide it up on it and then put your keyway in. If you don't, then your keyway will catch on the top of your spider, or your thrust bearing, it won't go down through it. So make sure you just slide it up or hold it up and then put your keyway in. Sometimes it'll hold on and sometimes it tries to fall out. So sometimes it'll be a little aggravating. But we're gonna put some Loctite on this real quick. Here you go. Hold that. Spin it around, Papa. There you go. One more. Yeah, make sure you get plenty on there. But yeah, here you go. You see it? I'm gonna put it up in here. What I usually do is I'll tighten it, and then I'll put it on the floor and I'll run it around a little bit, and then I'll re-tighten it. Oh. Let me get my bar. You'll make sure you tighten this thing good, not they'll back off. And it'll, oh, it's going the wrong way, it's going to break it loose. I was wondering about getting loose. Slip. Strip it out. But yeah, just take and run it together, and then set it down and tighten it up, and then, or set it down and run it a little bit, and then whenever you pick it up, you can re-tighten it. But that's pretty much how you get it put back together. If you have any questions, just give me a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up more of my videos. And thanks for watching.